How to temporarily deactivate a WordPress website the easiest no plugin way in 2026. I'm in the WordPress.com dashboard right now, and this is the exact screen you need. Top left, I click My Sites and choose the website I want to take offline. From the dashboard, on the left sidebar, I click Settings. Inside Settings, I click Reading. The Reading page opens and site visibility is near the top. Right now it shows Public. I click Private. WordPress immediately shows the privacy notice that only you and people you invite can see the site. That is exactly what I want for a full site shutdown. I click Save Settings, and if WordPress asks for confirmation, I confirm. The section now shows Private. Then I open a new incognito window and type the site address. The home page is replaced by the WordPress private site notice. That is what a regular visitor sees. I use incognito instead of logging out because it's faster. If you stay logged in, you still see the actual site, and that fools people into thinking the hide didn't work. It did. To make the site public again, I go back to the dashboard, click Settings, click Reading, and in Site Visibility I click Public. WordPress shows a confirmation because the site is about to go live again. I click Confirm and Save Settings if it appears. Then I check in incognito one more time. The normal homepage loads so public visitors can get back in. Now for hiding just one page, which is what I use when I don't want to take the whole site down, I click Pages in the left sidebar, then All Pages. The Pages list opens, I click the page I need to hide, and the editor opens. On the right settings panel, I find Visibility. Next to it, it says Public. I click Public. A small pop-up opens with three options: Public, Private, and Password Protected. I pick Private. The panel updates to say Private, and the note below it says only site admins and editors can see it. Then I click Update in the top right. If I open that page in incognito, the normal content is gone. This same control works on posts, too, in the same editor panel. To unpublish a page entirely, instead of just making it private, I open the same page from Pages, All Pages, and click Edit. Now I look at the top toolbar where it says Status Published. I click that. The status window opens. I change the status to Draft. The top button changes from Update to Save. I click Save. The page is no longer published. If a visitor opens its old link, they get a Not Found page. I use Draft when I'm still rewriting a page and don't want it visible in any form. Then I check my navigation, because any menu item still pointing to that page will now break. One warning if you're on self-hosted WordPress from WordPress.org. I've opened its dashboard and gone to Settings, Reading. This version does not have site visibility. The checkbox you'll see is called Discourage Search Engines from Indexing this site. I leave it unchecked. That setting only tells search engines not to crawl the site. It does not hide anything. Anyone with the URL can still open every page. So on a self-hosted site, your built-in option is not here. Go to your hosting account and look for Maintenance Mode, Password Protection, or Staging. Those are the no plugin ways to take the site offline there. Now with the site hidden, if you're doing a full redesign, the next thing I do is go to Tools in the left sidebar and click Export. Choose Export All Content and download the XML file. I always do that before any big change, so the posts and pages are backed up. Also, at the very bottom of the general settings page, there's a Delete Site link. That is not a temporary option. Do not click that just to take the site offline. Private is reversible, Delete Site is not. If this got your site hidden without a plugin, hit the like button and subscribe so the 2026 method stays in your list, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people searching for the same thing.